finna go on. Who I'm gonna let work on it? I need 3 people for 2 head gaskets. It's gonna be me
right.
and 2 others.
You got one doing the work and 2 helping out.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get the tools and shit. I get the tools, man. I got that electric ratchet and some batteries. I should be good.
Walk to the beach. Damn, that's what I'm talking about.
Damn.
Oh, wait, 78 in Virginia. That sound real
That's
good.
where we'll be next weekend.
80 in Kentucky. Hold on. Bet this shit hotter. Let's see what it is right now.
Blow head gasket labor is
Says it's 86 right now at home, but the real feel is 98.
Golly. Ooh,
fuck that.
Yeah, he was smoking earlier.
What happened? Yeah, I was that's my boy Kangas, man. Getting my design ready. I got some new designs coming out. I'm finna start working on. I got my Dolly Magusta shirts coming out. I got my Dolly. Let me show you how. Let me find it. Got Dolly Magusta. Twin River.
That's where we'll be on the 30th.
Somebody's asking where we're gonna be at in Virginia.
Twin Rivers.
Twin Rivers. Let me show them. Where's my Dolly Magusta? Okay, boom. My Mac. Come on in here, Mac. Okay. Let's see. Okay, yeah, there it go. Shirt screen. Yeah, that's gonna be my new shirt design. I'm gonna have it looking like that. That's for all my Mexican compadres. I'm finna change this red and yellow.
Man, that's what's up. That's cool.
I'm going to the white and green, man. I'm going red, white, and green on it, man. This is for my Mexican compadres.
That's what's up.
And then all they Theos and Abuelitos, we gonna all be on the same. Amigos and everybody.
All the amigos.
I've been learning the shit out of Spanish, man. They done taught me some new words. What's my new Sígame? Sígame. Yeah, that's follow me. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Sígame a mi canal. That way I got follow my channel. I'm finna be talking to them Mexicans. When I talk to them in that Spanish, they be like, they're gonna fuck with me. When I'm speaking in Spanish, they laugh and pull that phone out. I got their ass. Come on.
Mita.
I'll be like, they because some of them be trying to get away. Oh, no English. Oh, don't worry. God damn, don't worry. Suscríbete a mi canal. Sígame a mi canal. Dale me gusta. Dile tu tío. Dile tu abuelito. It's over with. I got them. Okay? Look out racing on YouTube.
No comprende español.
No shit.
I'm trying to get my shit all the way in Mexico, man. I need to get in Mexico. Yeah, I need to get to the Mexico. I'm learning my Spanish. See chemicals. You know, see chemical, that's burn rubber. You know, you got smoke. I've been learning all my Spanish. It's
all right.
Oh, Edward says already there.
Already there. Yep.
That's what's up.
Oh shit, y'all been live for 4 hours.
4 damn hours.
Damn.
Yeah, we had somebody on earlier. We had a bad Ashley. We had Ashley Mork on.
She's a girl racer, got a twin turbo Mustang.
What?
Out of Chicago. Yep. She powder coats and shit. Real cool chick.
Now I know another cool girl y'all can have. Oh damn, she got a bad bitch too. That's hers.
That's her.
Oh, her name Ash.
Yep, Ashley, Bad Ash.
Oh shit.
I'll show you.
Let me see how she look.
That's pulling up right now.
Okay.
That's her old man. That's her old man back there.
Oh shit. A small block.
She's cool ass people, man. She's cool.
I know. You know a girl named Lacey Blur.
Yeah.
Yeah, she cool.
I follow her.
Yeah, you probably could get her on her, Limpy.
I've messaged her.
She ain't a no prep type person, but she be on. Damn, who was that?
That's her.
That's Ashley on the one on the with the tattoos.
I ain't worried about that one.
They do up in Chicago. They do cancer rides,
snowmobile rides and shit.
Damn. Okay. She working.
Yeah, I think I sent Lacey Blair a message on getting her on here, and I never did get a response.
Yeah, Lacey, but I'm gonna tell her she real cool.
Yep, I follow her channel and shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell her she be on every man. The way she be on there. She be doing everything.
We'd love to have her on here one night.
Yeah, she got a decent block though. She decent.
Yeah. Anybody knows her, tell her to holler at me.
I'm gonna see if I can message her.
Yeah,
she know about them diesel trucks. See, Limpy probably don't know about them diesels.
Oh yeah,
he knows enough.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I know enough about them. I know you don't want to, man. Any kind of diesel truck in Texas, you don't want to fuck with. They got tune.
That one with the flatbed looked like old farm truck.
I like them diesel trucks. I remember when they was talking about when I was younger, telling me, man, them diesel trucks will take nitrous. I was like, oh, that shit sound good.
Crazy Horse got 6 systems.
Damn, they doing it like that.
Crazy Horse got 6 kits on it.
More than you?
Yeah. He got 6 fucking kits. You've seen it before too at the Gut. It was at the Gut for that first race that Limpy flagged. She was at. It was that white diesel truck.
Let's see if I can find it.
Said Crazy Horse real big down the side. It's got 6 systems on it. He's trying to go for a world record. Some shit.
It's too much goddamn nitrous. How the hell that motor hold more nitrous?
Man, they hold a lot. They hold 100 pounds of boost.
Do they be in the concrete they blocks?
Maybe. Hey,
all right, homie.
Move your car. Move your car, man. Look out, move your car.
Good show.
Good show. I
appreciate it. Look out. All damn night.
Yeah. Look out, and Ashley for coming on. And of course, this guy right here. Wait.
Appreciate everybody watching too, y'all. We've had fun tonight. Tonight's been fun. We've just been reading the comments and bullshit. Hey, anybody want to play Call of Duty? Hit me up on Facebook.
Yeah.
There goes Lil Sean. Okay, we got Lil Sean, 14 years old. I don't know if he got the nitrous on or not. Let me see.
Everybody go shout out, everybody go follow Lookout Racing.
Yeah.
They're the illest over here, bro. They're